Has this place gone to the birds or what? Let's check out some of the great local events coming up for your weekend. Stay tuned. Do you need to relax more? Well, check out our amazing coloring book and you could have a more beautiful day. Check the link in the description. Welcome back, Localtarians, or if it's your first time, welcome. We're going to go through all the local events coming up for August 26th, 27th, and 28th. That is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And of course, it's going to be the top 10 events of the weekend. So stay tuned, and we're going to tell you how you can get even more events as well. So let's get started with Friday. Chris Robb Physical Currency at the Terrace Gallery at Orlando City Hall. This free art exhibit is going on Monday through Fridays until September 11th. 10 a.m. Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice at Way Chocolate and Coffee. 2 p.m. Murder for Two at Winter Park Playhouse. $20 to $46 will get you into this great stage production going on now until August 28th. So make sure you check it out this weekend before it's gone. 6 p.m. Rebuild Yourself Incorporated inaugural gala. Never Alone Project at Lake Nona Wave Hotel. 6 p.m. Metal Mayhem Fest with the Sloppy Syndicate Show at the Haven Lounge. $12 will get you in and you can go metal. 6 p.m. on Friday, Muse Will of the People listening party at Park Avenue CDs. Come on out and enjoy this amazing musical talent. You will not want to miss this listening party. 7 p.m. Death by Lobster at Penguin Point Productions at the Oviedo Mall. 7 p.m. Terry Binion, Tony Macaluso at Claddagh Cottage Irish Pub. This free event is going to be an amazing chance for you to come out and enjoy this great bar and support this venue as well as local music. 8 p.m. Glass House Point, Gary Laser Eyes, The Thing with Feathers, Morning Buzz, all playing at Will's Pub. $12 to $15 will get you in to see these very talented local musicians. Make sure you let Gary Laser Eyes know Amanda says hi. 9 p.m. Funky and Fresh open mic at Suva Lounge. All right, guys, if you're looking for even more great events for your weekend, don't you worry. We got those for you. You just want to go over to our Local Love Orlando Entertainment Facebook page, and you will find a new event post posted to the top of the page every single day. That's right, not just for the weekend, every day. So make sure you check it out and get your weekend planned a little early because we pop those up on our feed at about 2 p.m. the day before. So make sure you check out all the great happenings and ring the bell. Don't forget to subscribe because, of course, we're here every week with this great chance to get your weekend going. All right, guys, you know what that means. It is time for the real heat to come in. Let's get into Saturday. Milk District Sandwich Week at the Milk District. From old school classics to mind-blowing flavor combinations, the district is home to the best stuff between sliced bread. And that's going to be going on until August 28th. Make sure you get out there and check out some of these amazing sandwiches for yourself. 8 a.m. Growing Cut Flowers for Fall Workshop 2 at the White Orchid Market in Mount Dora. 9 a.m. on Saturday, Boardwalk Bowl's 20th Anniversary Carnival. And of course, Boardwalk Bowls down on East Colonial Drive. Make sure you come and check out this amazing carnival and celebrate 20 years strong. 10 a.m. Back to school bird bash at Audubon Center for Birds of Prey. If you've never been out to this amazing spot, they have the most amazing birds you will ever find. And of course, they are rescued right here in this area. So make sure you check them out and come out and support this great center. 11 a.m. Cat Video Fest 2022 at Enzian Theater. $9.50 up to $12. You can come in and meow, meow, meow. Get those cat videos in because you know we all watch them. Come on. I know I do. 11:30 a.m. Sourfest Ellipsis Tap Takeover at A La Carte Orlando. Guys, don't be sour about missing out on the last event they had. Come on out and enjoy Sourfest and the amazing food trucks that take up residents at A La Carte all the time. So come on out, see who's going to be there this week. 2 p.m. Press Floral Art Workshop at the House on Lake. 3 p.m. Let's Paint Plants at We Love Plants LLC. Come on out and enjoy a little painting party with some of your favorite flora and fauna. Come on out and enjoy a great day of relaxing painting. 6 p.m. Cosplay and Cars and Cyber City Saturday at Desertland Park, Orlando. 8 p.m. on Saturday, Planet Booty, Trash Burger, and Raspberry Pie at Will's Pub. $15 will get you in to this exciting show. If you've never seen some of these guys' lives, you are missing out. All right, guys, let's finish off this weekend strong with Sunday. 8 a.m. Urban Basket at Crane's Roost Park. This is a free event, so come on out and enjoy this beautiful park for your Sunday morning. 10 a.m. Rides and Coffee at Detail Garage, Orlando. 11 a.m. Soundcheck Battle of the Bands at Promenade at Sunset Walk. This is a free event, so come on out and watch these bands battle it out. 11 a.m. Reggae All Day Festival at Boxy Park, Lake Nona. $10 to $15 will get you in, and you can be Irie for the day. So come on out and enjoy. 11 a.m. Garbology at Hollerbox Art House. This will be going on from now until October 6th. So come on out and enjoy this amazing art exhibit. Check it out and support local artists. 12 p.m. My Shady Bridal Expo, Orlando Fall 2022, going on at Hilton, Orlando. 12 p.m. on Sunday, Marvel Crisis Protocol Tournament, Crucible Carnage at FLGS Orlando Games Group. 2 p.m. Buzzed Adult Spelling Bee 2022 at the Whiny Wench. Coming out, and if you're a really good speller, let's see how you do it with a few wines in you. Come on out and enjoy this fun time. 6 p.m. Come on out and support this amazing cause. It is Overdose Awareness Day at Lake Eola Park. Hope to see everybody out there raising awareness for this problem. And last but not least for your weekend, 8 p.m. Corsets and Cuties 8-year anniversary at the Abbey. $20 to come on out and watch this amazing show. Guys, this Troop has been around for forever, and of course it's time to let them know how much you enjoy watching them do what they do. So come on out and support, whether it be for them or one of these other amazing venues or shows we've got going on. Get out there, check out your city, maybe go check out some animals. You might have noticed we had a theme on our thumbnail this week, and let me tell you, there's some amazing places where you can do that. You can go out to Back to Nature Wildlife Refuge for just a $5 donation. You can go in and spend some time with some awesome animals. We'll be having a video about that soon, so stay tuned for that. And of course, you've got the Audubon Bird of Prey Museum right here in our area. You do not want to miss checking out these amazing raptors and rescued birds. All right, guys, and of course, we also mentioned the Central Florida Zoo on our thumbnail as well. Of course, it's always a big hit. If you've never been out to this zoo, what are you waiting for? This is an amazing time to get out there. You can go feed some giraffes, have a little fun, and just enjoy being part of this amazing area. All right, guys. Well, that is going to wrap up our local love report for this week. I sure hope that you guys enjoyed it and that you find someplace amazing to explore to here in our beautiful, beautiful city. Thank you guys for tuning in, and peace. We will catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.